Well, we woke up this morning with an overcast sky and we had warm, humid temperatures. Well, the temperatures got a little bit warmer. Also, the cloud cover got a little bit thicker, but now we're starting to see a few breaks from time to time. That has allowed for some sunshine to beam down and warm us up. So let's take a look at your afternoon temperatures. So far, we're at 82 degrees in Harlingen, 85 here in Weslaco. It's 84 in McAllen and near 86 degrees in Brownsville. The dew point still near 70, so yeah, still in that very humid category. It's where we're going to stay. Now, the east to southeast wind will stay between 9 and 18 miles per hour for the remainder of the afternoon, gusting up near 25 miles per hour at times. And we are still calling for some thunderstorms in the forecast with high temperatures near 85. So let's take a look at what we can expect. Now, when we look at the severe weather potential for the valley today, it does have us partially in that dark green category, putting us in a marginal risk. So that tells us that with any passing shower or thunderstorm that does develop over this shaded green area, and of course the areas to our north, there could be some gusty winds, some heavy rain, maybe even some small hail, lightning, all that kind of stuff. It's just that time of year for it. The rest of the valley is in the general thunderstorm category, so really, I think with any passing thunderstorm that does develop with the amount of moisture we have around, we could see those heavy downpours. But a lot of the heavier stuff is still staying well to the north and east and now kind of making its way into Houston as it moves east to southeast this afternoon into Louisiana. This is the cold front that is draped you can see the line. It continues all the way up into the upper Great Lakes. So when you look at this pattern ahead of it, we're really warming up, and that clash of cold and warm air is really sparking a lot of severe weather potential, especially the farther north and west you go. Back here at home, we are continuing to warm up, but we really don't have that forcing mechanism to really get a whole bunch of widespread showers or thunderstorms like what the north and east of us are getting. So let's look at future track. I'll show you what you can expect. We start the clock at noon. This afternoon, it looks like we're still going to see some breaks in the clouds. It's going to prime our atmosphere even more as it warms up. We're going to get unstable. It's kind of like putting a pot of hot water there on the stove, and then once you start to get it boiling, that's when things start to get a little rocky. Same thing in our atmosphere, and when you look at 6 o'clock this evening, it looks like some of those showers and thunderstorms could be moving into northern Starr County. Now, the models have been kind of going in between, anywhere between 3 and even 7 o'clock. But this particular model now shows that we could even see some heavy moving thunderstorms still around at 8 o'clock over portions of western Hidalgo and getting into Starr County. So it's something that we're going to have to watch to see exactly how fast they do move into the valley. And then from there, we'll see exactly how long they last. Now, looking at 10 o'clock, we could still have some stormy stuff to our south, but it looks like we could just have that moderate to heavy rain at times, or light to moderate rain rather, and then maybe a few streaming showers later on tonight are still possible through the early part of tomorrow morning. So it's one of those things that will have a leftover moisture and enough of it that we could get maybe a few showers going. But for the most part, I think most of the valley is going to be dry starting tomorrow afternoon and heading into the rest of the work week. Even as we head into the weekend, we're going to warm up, partly sunny skies with temperatures near 88 degrees for Easter Sunday. So we're going to continue with that dry pattern as we head into next week. Things start to change. So here's your first Warm 5 7-day forecast. We'll be at 85 degrees today as your daytime high. The upper valley a little bit warmer, lower valley closer to 80. 70 will be your low, and we can see a few spotty showers tonight, mainly cloudy skies. 86 mainly dry for tomorrow afternoon, Thursday and Good Friday. By Saturday and Sunday, it looks like we're partly sunny, breezy and muggy there on Easter Sunday, but then we're back to 87 with a shower possible early Monday. And then we look at your overnight lows, upper 60s, low 70s. We may even change this mainly dry right here on Friday to giving you maybe a 10 to 20% chance for a shower. It is possible. It is spring in the RGV. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast. Stay with us. Channel 5 News at noon. We'll be right back.